Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will review the Chase Sapphire Reserve Dining Credit. This card offers a fantastic annual $300 credit that applies to both dining and travel expenses. It's designed to be easy to use, automatically reducing your statement balance for qualifying purchases. We'll cover how this credit works, what counts as an eligible purchase, and some smart strategies to ensure you get the most value from it. Stay tuned to learn how to maximize this great perk. The Chase Sapphire Reserve's $300 credit is quite straightforward. It automatically applies to your first $300 in combined dining and travel purchases each card member year. This means you don't need to activate anything or jump through hoops. Simply use your card for eligible expenses, and the credit will appear on your statement, effectively reducing your out-of-pocket costs. It's a seamless way to save on everyday spending. To truly maximize your $300 credit, think broadly about eligible purchases. Dining includes everything from a quick coffee to a fancy dinner, plus popular food delivery services. For travel, it covers flights, hotels, car rentals, and even public transportation. Don't let it go to waste. Plan to use it throughout your card member year, whether for a big trip or just your regular dining out. Every dollar counts towards your savings. Remember to keep an eye on your statement to track how much of your $300 credit you've used. This helps ensure you don't miss out on any savings before your card member year resets. The credit is tied to the primary cardholder's account, so all eligible purchases made by authorized users will contribute to it. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy with minimal effort. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Don't miss out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.